DJI claims up to 31 minutes of flight time, but realistically, you get something close to 25 minutes. But what happens when you fly in real winter? Today, I'm testing the DJI Flip's battery life in -12 degrees Celsius with a feels like -18 degrees Celsius wind chill right here in Trondheim, Norway. No warm batteries, no second chances, just one flight until the battery says stop. This test was done at NTNU University with winter conditions that drones usually don't like. Temperature -12 degrees Celsius, feels like -18 degrees Celsius. Light wind, clear visibility, but brutally cold. One important detail, the battery was at 95% when I took off, not 100. And I planned to land at 10% to avoid stressing the battery in these temperatures. I started a timer the moment the drone left the ground, and whatever flight time I get, that's the real result. Right after takeoff, everything felt normal. No sudden voltage drops, no warning messages. Cold batteries usually struggle early in the flight, but the DJI Flip stayed surprisingly stable. For a better viewing experience, I've sped up the drone shots between 3 to 5 times, so you're seeing the full test without unnecessary waiting. As the timer kept running, I flew over some of Trondheim's most iconic locations. The NTNU main building, standing quietly in the winter cold. Then towards Nidarosdomen Cathedral, a place that looks even more dramatic in snow. And finally, the Nidelva River, partially frozen, reflecting the low winter light. At this point in the flight, the battery percentage was dropping, but not aggressively, which honestly surprised me. This is where cold weather usually shows its true colors. In extreme temperatures, you often see sudden drops from 30% to 15% to emergency landing. But the DJI Flip handled this better than expected. No forced descent, no critical warnings, just a steady, predictable drain. This tells me one thing: DJI's battery management here is doing real work. As I approached the final minutes, I kept a close eye on voltage, not just percentage. At 10% battery, I decided to land. So here's the result. Total flight time, about 20 minutes, starting at 95%. And landing safely at 10%. For these conditions, that's genuinely impressive. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what test you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one.